Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the topic that resonates with so many of us. Healing from betrayal, rebuilding trust, and finding that much needed closure. If you've ever felt that sting of betrayal and wondered how to mend your heart and soul, this video is for you. Stay tuned as we explore powerful strategies and insights to help you on your journey to healing. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on up-and-coming videos. Now let's get into today's video. Betrayal can feel like a storm that wreaks havoc on our lives, leaving us broken and lost. It's crucial to acknowledge the pain and confusion it brings. Remember, you're not alone in this. Healing is a journey, not a destination. So let's explore some powerful steps to help your healing process. From practicing self-care and seeking professional help, to leaning on the support of loved ones, these steps will guide you towards the light. Let's first begin with rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust takes time and effort from both parties involved. We'll discuss open communication, setting boundaries, and the importance of consistency. Remember, trust can be repaired and bridges can be built anew. Let's now take a moment and discuss the power of communication. After the storm of betrayal, communication becomes the sunlight that helps a relationship grow again. Opening up about your feelings, concerns, and thoughts creates a space for understanding and empathy. Let us now delve into the power of forgiveness, releasing resentment, and embracing acceptance. Forgiveness is not about condoning the hurtful actions, but about freeing yourself from the chains of resentment. Resentment can weigh us down like heavy anchors. Discover the cathartic process of releasing resentment and how it paves the way for your healing and renewed sense of lightness. Let's now talk about setting healthy boundaries. Boundaries are like a fence around your emotional garden. They protect your well-being and ensure mutual respect. It's important to set clear boundaries that ensures the rebuilding of trust. And lastly, consistency. Consistency is the key to rebuilding trust brick by brick. Demonstrating your commitment through consistent actions, words, and behaviors reassures the other person they can rely on you. And finally, by embracing acceptance, we acknowledge our feelings. We cultivate an air of learning how to navigate waves of anger, sadness, and confusion. Acceptance can lead us towards inner peace, healing, and a renewed sense of self-worth. When we learn to embrace the beauty of our past pain and imperfections, we lead ourselves into a profound sense of self-love and growth. As we wrap up this heartfelt exploration of healing from betrayal, remember that your pain does not define who you are. You have the strength to heal, rebuild, and find closure. Remember, closure is not about ignoring what happened. It's about finding peace within yourself. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If this video touched your heart, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who might find solace in this message. Namaste.